shouting blue look.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, bienvenidos uno. Thank you so much for tuning in today to watch me change my hair blue. I will be using their hair paint wax. Let's begin. I'm doing this process on freshly washed hair. First of all, I want to apologize because I think part of the video is overexposed. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into different parts and applying what I would use to moisturize my hair. So I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner from Cantu, and I'm using tea tree oil to prevent any itchiness. Then lastly, I'm going to apply shea butter. So I'm going to do this to different sections of my hair, then put them in twists before I apply the blue. Gonna make sure I have detangled my hair properly. Okay, so I'm taking my hair paint wax, the color blue, and I'm gonna start applying it to my hair. Apply just as much as you need to make the hair as blue as you want it. As you can see, I'm turning it over, it doesn't pour out. Now I'm touching it and feeling it, and it is really soft to touch. Make sure you remember to work the color to the tip of your hair, and it is best to work in small portions. Even the portions that I divided the hair into are quite big, but when I was twisting them, I divided them into smaller portions and applied more color if I felt it needed more color.
Oh, oh, oh.
So after I've evenly coated the blue to the best of my ability, I'm gonna put my hair in twists so that I can have a twist out, because I am allowing it to dry naturally to see the outcome. Okay, now I have put my hair in twists. I have about 15 twists in it. I'm just going to take a black clip, hold it up in somewhat seemingly nice, fashionable way because I have to go about my business. And I will see you guys later to show you the finished look. I think the blue does fit me. I don't know about you, but I think it does fit me and I like it. Nobody has really noticed it outside. Like I say, outside in the natural light, it doesn't really look that blue, but when I come into this room with this ring light, it does show that the hair is blue. So anyway, I want to just show you this. This is my hand after 2 days of letting this product dry into my hair. I didn't use heat, artificial heat, like a blow dryer to dry my hair because I wanted to see how it would look through natural drying, and this is how it does look. I do feel that my hair is or does feel a little bit dry, so the next time that I would do this, I would olive oil into my hair, not coconut oil, olive oil into my hair to give it a bit more luster so that it doesn't feel dry, because it does feel dry. It did dye my hair well. I think for the amount that I put on my hair, it did come out nicely. It's not giving me like a shouting blue look, but you can see the blue in my hair. Like I said, I still do have a bit of product on my hand, but let me tell you, I use my hands to apply it. All I needed to do was wash my hands. I did change the color of my nails in between. This is just because I want to change the color of my nails. But trust me, once you wash it off, it's gonna be okay. In fact, just give me 1 second. Yeah, so I'm back. Look at my hands. There's nothing. There's no sign of the blue there. So all you have to note is that I'm very sure that if maybe my hair hasn't dried well, it feels dry, maybe it hasn't dried well, and maybe if I carry it for the 2-3 days, it wouldn't take out product, or it wouldn't remove product onto my hand. But I will let you know in a subsequent video. But I am very sure that if I do decide to put my hair in a ponytail and apply gel, or I apply some other products to it, I think it's gonna take it out, because obviously it's temporal, so it's not gonna be there forever. Like, that wasn't the point. The point is to try it out. But I do love it. I love how it came out, and I think this makeup with this hair even makes the hair stand out more, you know. But I feel like I should do a blue look with this hair, you know, something blue and then maybe something silver, so you can guess what is coming to you. Hair paint wax, I will definitely try this again. I do have another color that I'm gonna try out, and I'm gonna actually do another color, trying out the two colors, the blue and the other color, mix it together, see what it's gonna do. But this is something fun. All in all, it's a thumbs up. Like I said, I would make sure my hair is really hydrated, really moisturized before applying it. The next time, I would just go ahead and spray in some leave-in conditioner to make the hair feel a bit more hydrated. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is your honest review on hair paint wax, as it is only $6.99 and it is temporal. Hey, no, why not have variety? Is the spice of life, right? So why not just change it up a bit? You know, maybe next time I'll do just the tips. I don't know, something. But hey, guys, this is it. I really love it. Hope you do too. And I'll see you in my next video.